Chapter 4 Determinant Exercise 4.6 Question number 11. Solve the system of linear equation using matrix method. In matrix form 2 1 1 2 1 1 1 minus 2 minus 1 0 3 minus 5 and b is equal to 1 3 upon 2 and 9, and determinant of a is equal to 2 first row first column neglect and minus 2 3 minus 1 minus 5 and second time minus 1 first row second column 1 0 minus 1 minus 5 and plus 1 1 0 minus 2 and 3. Determinant of a is equal to 2 5 2s are 10 minus minus plus 3 1s are 3 plus 3 minus 1 5 1s are minus 5 and 0 plus 1 3 1s are 3 minus 0. Then determinant of a is equal to 2 into 13 minus 1 minus 5 plus 1 3. Determinant of a is 13 2s are 26, 5 1s are 5 plus 3. Then determinant of a is equal to 34. So determinant of a is not equal to 0. Solution is unique and A inverse exists. And we find the cofactor C11, C12 and C13. C11 that is 10 plus 3 13 and C12 is minus 5 and that will be positive. 1 plus 2 is 3 and this number multiply by a negative sign, that will be positive 5 and A13 is 3. C21, C22 and C23. 21 means second row first column, 5 1s are minus 5 minus 3 1s are 3, that is minus 5 minus 3 minus 8 and that will be positive 8 and 2 2, 5 2s are minus 10, that is minus 10 and C2 3, 3 2s are 6 minus 0 6, that is negative 6 minus 6 and C31, C32, C33. 31 means third row first column, 1 multiplied by 1 that is minus 1 plus 2, 2 minus 1 that is 1 and C32, 2 1s are minus 2 minus 1, that will be minus 3 and minus minus plus 3 plus 2 is 5, So minus multiplied by minus 3, that is positive 3. And C3, 3, 2 2s are minus 4, minus 1, that is minus 5. And C3, 3 is minus 5. Adjoint A is equal to, in this direction, 13, 5, 3, 8, minus 10, minus 6, 1, 3, minus 5. It's adjoint of A. A inverse is equal to adjoint A upon determinant of A. This implies A inverse is equal to determinant of A, we get 34, that is 1 upon 34, and 13, 8, 1, 5 minus 10, 3, 3 minus 6, and minus 5. Ax is equal to B. This implies x is equal to A inverse B. X is equal to xyz, and B is here 1, 3 upon 2, and 9. So x, y, z is equal to A inverse 1 upon 34 into 13, 8, 1, 5 minus 10, 3, 3 minus 6 minus 5. It's A inverse. And B is 1, 3 upon 2, and 9. B multiply first row by first column, second row by second column, third row by third column. X, y, z is equal to 1 upon 34. 13 multiplied by 1, that is equal to 13. 8 divides 2, 4 2s are 8, and 4 3s are 12, plus 12, plus 9 1s are 9, 5 1s are 5, 10 divides 2, 2 5s are 10, minus 5 3s are minus 15, and 3 9s are 27, 3 1s are 3, 6 divides 2, 2 3s are 6, minus 3 multiplied by minus 3, that is minus 9, 9 5s are 45, negative 45. This implies x, y, z is equal to 1 upon 34, and 13 plus 12 is equal to 25, plus 9 is 34. 27 plus 5 is equal to 32. 32 minus 15 is equal to 17. And 45 plus 9 is 54, that is negative 54. Negative 54 plus 3 is negative 51. X is equal to 34 upon 34, that is 1, and y is equal to 17 upon 34, that is 1 upon 2, and z is equal to minus 51 upon 34. 17 3s are 54, 17 2s are 30, 17 3s are 51, 17 2s are 32. This implies x is equal to 1, y is equal to 1 upon 2, and z is equal to minus 3 upon 2 answer. Given equation is 2x plus y plus z is equal to 1, x minus 2y minus z is equal to 3 upon 2, and 3y minus 5z equal to 9. First of all, a is equal to coefficient of x 2, coefficient of y 1, coefficient of z 1 in row, and its first row, and in second equation second row will be 1 minus 2 minus 1, and in third equation third row will be 0, coefficient of x is 0 and coefficient of y is 3 and coefficient of z is minus 5, and b is that is equal to 1, 3 upon 2 and 9. Determinant of a, first element taking and first row first column neglect, minus 2 minus 1 3 minus 5 in bracket, and second times 1 negative times first row second column neglect, and 1 0 minus 1 minus 5 in bracket, plus 1 first row third column neglect, 1 0 minus 2 and 3 in bracket, multiplying 5 2s are 10, 10 plus 3 that is equal to 13, and minus 1, 5 1s are minus 5 minus 0 that is minus 5, 1 3 2s are 6 minus 0 that is 3, 3 1s are 3 and 5 1s are 5 positive 5, 13 3s are 13 2s are 26, 26 plus 5 plus 3 is equal to 34. Determinant of a is not equal to 0, then solution unique and A inverse exist, and we find the cofactor of the matrix A, C11, C12, C13, and similarly C21, C22, C23, C231, C32, C33. Adjoint of A is equal to 13, C11, C12, C13 in column direction, 13 5 13 5 3 8 minus 10 minus 6 1 3 minus 5, it's adjoint of A, and A inverse is equal to adjoint A upon determinant of A. We get determinant of A is 34 and adjoint A is 13 8 1 5 minus 10 3 3 minus 6 minus 5. So Ax is equal to V, and this implies x is equal to A inverse V. X is x y z, and A inverse V get 1 upon 34, 13 8 1 5 minus 10 3 3 minus 6 and minus 5, and value of B we have 1 3 upon 2 and 9. First row multiply by first column, 13 multiply by 1 and 8 multiply by 3, 8 3s are 24 divided by 2 is 12, 1 9s are 9, and similarly 5 1s are 5, minus 10 3s are 30, and 30 divides 2 that is minus 15, 3 9s are 27, 3 1s are 3, 6 3s are 18, 18 divides 2 that is minus 9, and 5 9s are 45, adding 13 12 9 that is 34, and 27 plus 5 is 32, 32 minus 15 that is 17, and 45 plus 9 is 54, minus 54 plus 3 is minus 51, and we get the value of x y and z. X equal to 34 upon 34 that is 1, y is equal to 17 upon 34 that is 1 upon 2, and z is equal to minus 51 upon 34. 17 3s are 51 and 17 2s are 34. We get the value of x is 1, y is 1 upon 2, z is minus 3 upon 2. Answer. Thank you so much.